In today's video, we're looking at the for loop and we'll be using the Pascal software to show its implementation. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to type the word program. Then I'm going to give my program a suitable name. So I'm going to call my program for underscore loop underscore example semicolon. Then I'm going to type the word var. And my variable for today's video is x, and this will be an integer, semicolon. Then I'm going to type the word begin to start the program. So I'm going to type now for x starting at 1 to ending at the number 10. Do. I'm going to type the word begin. Write ln x and write ln write ln the last number that was recorded using the for loop is x semicolon we have read ln and then we have end full stop. This can be aligned right like that, and I'm gonna put a comment here. This controls the for loop. Let us compile it by clicking this check mark. I'm going to save it as for loop testing 1. All right, the project was compiled successfully. So I'm going to click this button that says execute. And there we have the counting of the numbers from 1 to 10. And here we have the summary line that says the last number that was recorded using the for loop is 10.